hard as you want. And while you have that pressure, you grab your strap and you tighten it down and you lock in that push. When you get a nice push right in here, then you can start knocking down the crown, and because you have constant pressure. So that's my setup. Get that leather up inside there, and this is what it looks like. There it is. So that's some nice cushion, a lot of power, and you don't have to have any fancy setups to do a dent like this. So there you go. Fixing a bodyline dent on a BMW X3. Thanks for watching. This is Sal from Dent Experts, the YouTube channel. All done with this BMW. I'm going to do a quick, fast pass here because it's not perfect. I'm trying to hide the flaws from you. It's right there. So you can see some heavy orange peel. Not too bad, considering how ugly that was. Yeah, I gotta go. Thanks for watching.